في قلوبهم مرض فزادهم الله مرضا ولهم عذاب أليم بما كانوا يكذبون.
There is a disease in their hearts, and Allah has intensified this disease. A painful chastisement awaits them for their lying.
وإذا قيل لهم لا تفسدوا في الأرض قالوا إنما نحن مصلحون.
Whenever they are told, do not spread mischief on earth, they say, why? We indeed are the ones who set things right.
ألا إنهم هم المفسدون ولكن لا يشعرون.
They are the mischief makers, but they do not realize it.
وإذا قيل لهم آمنوا كما آمن الناس قالوا أنؤمن كما آمن السفهاء ألا إنهم هم السفهاء ولكن لا يعلمون.
Whenever they are told, believe as others believe, they answer, shall we believe as the fools have believed? Indeed, it is they who are the fools, but they are not aware of it.